We're going to show you how to make a very simple Uruguayan recipe for faina. That's all you need. The ingredients are chickpea flour, water, a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. Tiny little bit of salt. We mix the faina, which is chickpea flour, and then we put the water, which is warm, could be semi-hot. At the same time we whisk it, we throw the salt, we whisk it very well, and we let it rest for about a minute. Meanwhile, okay, at this time we just go to the pan. The pan will be coated with 2 soup spoons of oil. I just do it this way because I have been doing it for a few times. So I know that this is 2 soup spoons of oil, and the next step is to make sure that you coat the edges. Just half an inch on top, and the center is properly coated, and the oven, or the toaster oven, has been heated at 450 degrees or 500 degrees, and we put it in for a minute or 2. Meanwhile, we just get the mixture ready to be poured into the pan. Not the pan doesn't come out. At this time, if it's hot enough, we just open it up, use some whisks to put it in, pour the mixture, and then we close it, and this will be here for 40 minutes, and that's, oh, stop now.